Hello, you all. Welcome to this section. I said I was going to tell you guys ways you can earn money playing games. So if you're someone that loves playing games, well, this is for you. Now you can get your money through PayPal, Payoneer, and so many other platforms. So let's run through quickly the different ways you can make money. Okay, number one here, as I type the names, you can go on and download it and start playing, or you just want to write out the names so that when you have time, you can go on and play the games. So number one I have out here is Blackout Bingo. So go to your Google Play Store or your App Store. So you can see Blackout Bingo is an iCloud here on my phone. So I already have a Blackout Bingo. So another one you want to try out is Solitaire. Solitaire Cube. So Solitaire Cube, search again. So this is Solitaire Cube just right there, the first one. So just want to go on to download your Solitaire. If you know how to play Solitaire before, fine. If you don't know how to, then you have to learn so that you don't waste your money. Because some of them have to stick. Another one we have is Big Buck Hunter. Big Buck Hunter. Yeah, so this is Big Buck Hunter Maxman. So you go on, you get a Big Buck Hunter, the first one on the screen there, and then you go in and start playing. So we're going all the way to number 4, yeah, I hope. 21, I'll share like 10 money games for you guys. So you just go on and do your thing. 21 Blitz, let's go. Dun, dun, da. Dun, dun, da. Yeah, this is 21 Blitz, the first one, 21 Blitz. Download it, learn, and start playing. If you already know how to, you can just go on and play. So we go to spades, cash. Hello. This is spades cash, win real prize. You can see that, yeah, win real prize. Okay, let me just tell you guys, some of these things can come as coins, which of course you're going to go all the way to convert to cash. Some of them, they'll actually pay you real cash into your bank account through PayPal, like I already said. So this one is win real price, pay cash. So try it out, guys, and let me know how it went with you. Another one we have is Poo Payday. Poo Payday. Dun, dun, da. Dun, dun, da. I love to play games. I play games a lot. So this is no, this is not. It's Poo Payday. Poo. I can't find Poo Payday here. Maybe it's not available in App Store. So you can go on and check it on your Google Play. Because I actually haven't played Poo Payday. So okay. Oh, maybe it's down somewhere. So well, you guys, I don't think I have all the time to start looking for it. So go on and search. That's the name written there. Poo Payday. So you search for it and you start winning. Okay, the next one we wanna go to quickly. Dominos. Dominos Gold. Dun, dun, yeah, that's Dominos Gold there. For real, play Dominos for real money. So that's it right there. So you just download and start making cash. Bum, bum, bum. So the next one we have is Jane. Rummy. If you like gin, well, well, you don't have to like gin. So this is gin rummy, gin rummy. So you go on and get your gin rummy and start enjoying it. So this is gin money here. You can see the one here, the one just right in front of your screen. Yeah. Best card game for skill cash, win real money. So you can see, yeah, all of them have their real money tags just there in front of them, in front of you. So we wanna go all the way to Backgammon. Backgammon. Loading. That's backgammon for you. Backgammon. So this is it. Some of these games can be a bit tricky, some can be a little technical. So you want to make sure you actually know how to um, play, learn it first. Learn it first before you start putting in money. But if it's the one you don't need to put in money, well, you can try your luck and win whatever you are able to win. Backgammon, Lord of the boards. Backgammon, Lords of the board. Oh, I think we already did backgammon, yeah? Yeah, Lord of the boards, just right there. Already did backgammon, sorry. So the next one is Grand Mafia. So guys, if you are at home doing nothing or you want to pass time, want to pass out time getting cash. So this is the Grand Mafia. Yeah, so you go all the way to Grand Mafia. It's just right there in front of you, yeah? The first one, Grand Mafia. So you pick Grand Mafia, get a real cash. And we have Raid Show. I think this is about the 10th one. So I was gonna give you guys 10. So we have Raid Show. Raid Show, where are you? Where are you? Wow, I can't find Raid Show here. Okay, you guys want to check out Raid Show in your Google Play. I can find it right here in and add the legend's name to it. Let me know what I'll see because I didn't check out. Okay, so it's not here in Apple Store. So check out for it in your Google Play Store. So let me just add this last one. Palm oil. Also not in your Google Play Store. So also not in the App Store. So it should definitely be in your Google Play Store. So when I check out those games and then play and win money. So you also have to know that you have to go get a PayPal account if you don't have one, so that you don't have issues winning your cash. So if you play this game and you enjoy it, you make your money, or you have any other challenges or any other thing, just let me know. So give it a try and tell me how it went with you. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, you all. Don't forget to subscribe and then like.